The human brain is not fixed. It's flexible, adaptive, and constantly evolving. That's the power of neuroplasticity, and it's one of the most exciting truths in adult education. For centuries, scientists believed that the brain stopped developing after childhood, that once we reached adulthood, our cognitive abilities were set in stone. But modern neuroscience has rewritten that story. Neuroplasticity refers to the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. It means we can learn, unlearn, and relearn at any age. For adult learners, this is revolutionary. It means past struggles with learning aren't permanent. It means new skills, new habits, and even new ways of thinking are possible, whether you're 25 or 75. When we learn something new, the brain forms fresh neural pathways. With practice, those connections strengthen. It's like building a trail through a forest. The more you walk it, the clearer it becomes. This has huge implications for adult learning. It tells us that the ability to change isn't limited by age, but by opportunity, mindset, and support. Neuroplasticity thrives in certain conditions. The first is repetition, doing something again and again. The second is emotion. Positive feelings increase learning retention. And the third is novelty. When the brain is challenged, it lights up. So how do we use this as educators? We create safe environments that encourage curiosity and reduce fear. We build in reflection, practice, and feedback. We let learners revisit content from new angles, using different formats. And most importantly, we empower adults with the belief that change is not only possible, it's natural. Neuroplasticity also helps us unlearn. It's not just about adding knowledge, it's about rewiring old patterns. That's why adult learning often includes letting go of assumptions, habits, and outdated thinking. We're not just updating skills, we're reshaping identity. And that process takes patience, repetition, and encouragement. The science also supports micro-learning, spaced repetition, and multimodal content, all strategies that give the brain time to process, consolidate, and apply information over time. It's proof that how we teach matters just as much as what we teach. When we recognize the power of the adult brain, we stop underestimating our learners. We stop saying you can't teach an old dog new tricks, because science has proven you absolutely can. So the next time someone says they're too old to learn something new, remind them. Their brain is still changing, still growing, still capable of transformation. And that's not just encouraging, it's empowering.